Network installation is the start of the network lifecycle, hence the most critical milestone. If not done first time right, it would have far-reaching consequences. We therefore need to get both the time to install and the quality right for a delightful user experience of the network. The scope is the installation of cellular networks of Nokia's radio equipment which enable mobile connectivity through voice, SMS and fast internet. The focus is on network deployment processes and specifically as part of this project at the installation processes.
Even for the teams having a previous technical knowledge, the work environment was not very well organized. They had ergonomic difficulties and the sequence of work was not standardized.
टीम कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं था, उसमें साइट इंजीनियर इंडिविजुअली टेक्नीशियनों को अपना काम बताता था, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही वो काम करते थे, नहीं तो वो साइट पे खड़े रहते थे। टूल और मटेरियल अरेंजमेंट सिस्टमेटिक नहीं था, टूल एक ही बॉक्स में था, उसी में से ढूंढना पड़ता था।
So far, we have used cross-functional Six Sigma approach to optimize. We have found some defect analysis in which we have been able to optimize the whole process. The big change is in the way we manage the optimizations, and we can see this in sort of three aspects. Firstly, how do we manage to shorten the installation lead time, which is in the end a gain in the total project duration. A second important aspect is a high level of standardized quality. The third aspect is gain in having less time spent in the total project administration. However, the Kaizen methodology identifies time and process waste and then comes up with solutions on how to reduce the waste.
The major change occurs in the cultural aspect. The work done by the installer that was not so organized now becomes highly organized and standardized. The canvas that is placed on the floor of the site where the installer can place the material in an organized way and in the sequence that he will perform during the installation. Besides the canvas, it places a work cable that facilitates the ergonomics of the assembly activity. Also, a tool belt was introduced which brings the tool near to the hands, facilitating the work on the ground and also at the top of the tower. The pulley at the top of the tower lowers the physical effort to lift cables and antennas.
There is a gain as well for subcontractors who learn how to work more efficiently and can also transport those benefits to many other activities that they do.
अपना अपना इंडिविजुअली काम करने से उनको पता होने से टाइम की सेविंग हो रही है और काम स्पीड अप हो रहा है।
Kaizen has added great value not only in optimizing various facets of productivity domains, but has presented itself as a structured approach to implementation. It is to me personally a way of life.